Okay, so I got a residential unit. It's not working. So she said they've got air inside, but it's not cold. So the evaporator inside is not iced up. And the fan, the blower fan, works inside. So really simple electronics here, nothing complicated at all. Let's do this. Let's see if we can't put this in a place. We'll just do it this way. All right, so listen. You hear the buzzing? Do you see that this is pulled in? So the contactor is activated. So if you do voltage across the coil, 24 volts. So thermostat works. So let's check power. Sorry about the finger. All right, so 120, 120. All right, and the power to the top. To ground. Come on. It's a little wonky one-handed. There we go. 120. Okay, so contactor's good. We're getting power. The fact that the fan nor the compressor will start, that capacitor is in charge of starting both. So it's getting power, but it's not starting. It's got to be that capacitor. I'm going to pull that off and show you how to test it. And I'm not going to have this capacitor on my truck, so we're going to have to go get it, but not a big deal. Okay, this would have been really easy to misdiagnose, and I almost did it. So I tested voltage. This is the contactor, right? This is the orientation in which it was in here. So you had the line in, and then you had the equipment out. Let's check this out. See if I can do this. So this is continuity. So, right? So that leg of power was getting through. Now, when this gets pushed in, I don't have continuity. This side of power isn't getting through. Except when I tested voltage, I tested every individual terminal to ground. So I got 120 in, I got 120 in. I got 120 out, I got 120 out. The problem is this 120 out is ghost voltage. Ghost voltage. This 120 volts ran into the compressor, through the windings and back. So I could read 120 volts right here. And I didn't do it when it was hooked up, but I took my voltage across both of these and I had 220. I took my voltage across both of these and I had 0. Because it was the same leg of power. 120 measured across the same 120 leaves you nothing. So it was actually a bad contactor. So I would have run to the parts house, grabbed that capacitor, didn't even need it. So we're up and running. Bad contactor. There you have it.